to play a lifetime board game, you either use the dice, you roll the dice, step 1, and then you count what you have on it. So 3, you count 3, 1, 2, 3. When everybody goes for exercise because we've crossed the square, then you take an action card. Step 2, good job, you run 5 kilometers to the roll again. Alright, you put this at the bottom of the pile. Now, so the player is supposed to roll again to follow the instruction. So you follow the instruction. 3. Player counts 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, the next thing, step 3, is to answer a quiz question. And then the quiz question indicated here is the grapes. So you come to the quiz card tray. Here you go. So you pick a question. You can assign the questions anyhow you want it at the beginning. So picks a question and answers. If the player answers correctly, then the player stays on that square. If the player misses the question, the player goes back 2 steps. That's the game in 3 steps. And at certain points when you need to go to exercise, when the leading player crosses the exercise square, you simply check what the number that has been. You simply check the number that we have on the spinner. That's 3. So we bring out the exercise charts, and then depending on the section, maybe you're in the yellow section or in the blue or in the red. So yellow section, exercise 3. So you follow the age range and you do it. Do M circles 15 times, 15 forward and 15 backwards. So yes, you check the sheet, see what M circles is, read it out for the group, and then everybody does that exercise. So at points where the leading player crosses the square, the first thing to do will be to do the exercise. Then the second thing to pick an action card, follow the action, and the third thing to answer a quiz question. And then this next player plays. And also, if after the exercise class, everybody gets a token. Everybody gets 1 token. You use this token, you exchange this token later on for joker cards. You get this for 3 tokens. You need this stuff for 3 tokens. Fruit and veg supply for 2 tokens, and exercise pass for 5 tokens. If you don't use the dice, you can use a spinner. You simply spin. It gives you a number, and then it gives you the quiz question. So the number is 1, so you count 1, and then the quiz question, it takes the action card, step 2, does the action, then step 3, answers the question from that section. So it's either you use the dice or you use a spinner.